guys? Another beautiful day here. Finally getting a bit of spring weather. Friday afternoon. So anybody that has one of these 950, the HO or the HOEX, or the older sport versions, you know that the storage in these things is terrible. The glove box is better left closed. It's a total piece of trash. So you can get the center bag for these. You can get some overhead storage as well. I don't need a ton of storage. So what I decided to go with was these door bags. These are from Kemimoto. You can buy door bags from ZForce specific to this machine. But the Kemimoto ones, for what ZForce charges for one bag, you can get both bags from Kemimoto. Kemimoto sells them as a set. I don't think you can buy them separate. So these bags are specific to the ZForce 950 HOEX I have here. So let's go ahead and get these things installed. No tools required. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, let's just take a quick look at these bags. So like I said, they just go on with Velcro. No tools needed to put these on. So they're really nice nylon, waterproof. Front pouch here, larger pouch here that opens along the top, sorry. Again, Kemimoto. So that's all. I mean, they're very simple bags, but like I said, the storage in the 950 HO and HOEX is terrible. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and put these in, and I'll just give you a look at how simple it goes in. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'll just talk you through what I'm going to do here first. Just because it may be a bit difficult for me to stay out of the way of the camera. So these two straps here on the short side go around the grab handle here, and these two on the longer side go around in on back of the hinges. So I've already put the bag on the passenger side. So what I found is I put these two on first, but I'll leave them a little bit loose because this lower one, I was having a bit of trouble on that side because I had made these too tight up here. So I'll put these on first, and then I'll a bit loose, and then I'll do this one, and then I'll come back and cinch these here tight. So yeah, I'll try my best to stay out of the way, but yeah, we'll see. So as you can see, the bag is made specific for this side by side. So basically all you do is wrap it around in through small buckle here, and just cinch it on like that. So like I said, I'm going to leave these loose for now, just until I get the hinge side done. And exactly the same in through this little buckle. And just loosely held in place for now. So now on this side, these are a bit same principle, but a little bit different. You got to go down behind the hinge here with the strap, but it's the exact same process. Just feed it down behind, in through the little loop or the little buckle, and again I'll leave this one a little bit loose until I can get this bottom one done, because this was the troublesome one before. And then you can just draw it tight. here. And then do the exact same thing over here. Actually, those. So I have the same problem I had before, just in the opposite direction. So I'm going to have to loosen this one here back a bit and get this lower one on here. And then it's just a matter of going around and bringing them all tight. And there you go, simple as that. So it doesn't hinder it closing or anything. That's it. We'll bring you around, I'll show you what it looks like from the inside. And that's how it looks when it's in. So there'll also be a little bit of additional padding when you're sitting in the seat. So you can see by the shape of the door bows out here, right? So the bag fits right in that little concave area. So it doesn't ride up against you or anything when you're sitting in the seat. This actually gives you a bit of padding there, really. So anyways, that's the Kemimoto door bags for the ZForce 950 HOEX. So those cost, I think it was $115 Canadian, I think, for both bags. Like I said, ZFmoto sells them single. You can buy right side, left side. Kemimoto, I think, only sells them as a pair, but the pair from Kemimoto is actually a little bit less than what a single bag from ZFmoto. And they look like really good quality bags too, I must say. They don't feel cheap. And like I said, they're waterproof. So, yeah. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps somebody out. And as always, thanks for watching, and hope you stay tuned.